Russia's resources and equipment keep on being wasted, from poor offensive strategies to ammunition laying out in the open waiting to get destroyed. Russia has placed a large amounts of mines to try and stop Ukraine, but with this they have ended up with large piles all along the front line, as the troops don't know what to do with them all. Sometimes smaller, and as seen in this case sometimes larger piles, letting Ukraine's drone army to take out large amounts in a single strike. This case with the help of a FPV drone. As the pile explodes, it sends a powerful shockwave due to several hundred kilograms of explosive material detonating, leaving a large crater behind. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.